Hello guys, what's up? Croatian travelers are back.
Slaću, doma koje štit osvojit ću, uklesano za vike biće.
Today we are in our hometown. This behind me it's river Neretva in the city of Metkovic. So every second Saturday in August on this river it's Marathon Ladja. So what is the Marathon Ladja? Marathon Ladja is a rowing race in traditional vessels known as Lađa. The race is 22.5 kilometers long and it starts in the city of Metkovic here on this river and finish it's in seaport of Ploče. The history of the Ladja goes back to the 10th century. The Ladja was used by the old Neretva pirates who terrorized the area. Because of their narrow size, these boats were able to enter all of the rivers that flowed into the Neretva as well as the Neretva river itself. To preserve the traditions of the old Ladja, the race from Metkovic to Ploče was introduced for the first time in 1998. Competing boats must meet certain requirements, apart from being wooden and each crew consisting of 10 rowers, a drummer and a cox. There can be a minimum of 12 and a maximum of 18 persons in each squad. Today, the race is one of the most important tourist events in southern Croatia.
Pisma sa mulače oriti, najbolji smo, najbolji. Baklje će mistom goriti, zvona sa crkve zvoniti. Pisma sa mula će oriti, najbolji smo, najbolji. Prvaci smo, nek se zna, Maratona Ladja, Ladja, nek vijore zastave. Prvaci smo Neretve, prvaci smo, nek se zna, Maratona Ladja, Ladja, nek vijore
znaš veslat maraton, ako misliš da si debel i slabo biće, ja mi veslo i dobit ćeš mišiće, pa ćeš vidit kako je to kada rijekom Neretvom veslam stotine gusara. I neka grmi i neka siva, Neretvom se pisma piva, velika se fešta sada sprema, nema toga osim Boga da pokvari slavlje neretvanskog šampiona. I neka grmi i neka siva, Neretvom se pisma piva, velika se fešta sada sprema.
Guys, after 2 hours we are in the finish line in Ploče. The winner is team from capital of Croatia, Zagreb. And guys, that will be everything from 25th Marathon Lađa. This celebration will go long into the night, so thank you for watching and see you next week from our new destination. Bye!